My birthday is April 17th. I had my friend Karen, she said, my husband Bob and I were gonna come by and we're gonna blow and just wave, because we miss you. And my friend Cherie, that's my traveling buddy. She's like, I'm sending you dinner. And I saw her moving away from the door, but I'm thinking, she's just moving away from the door because, social distancing. And so I look out there and I see Karen and Bob, her husband. And then I hear somebody singing across the street. So I'm looking over there and I'm like, is that what's going on? So, I just broke down. When they did that happy birthday for me, I lost it.
Oh my God, thank you so much. Oh my God, thank you so much.
Really emotional seeing, hearing that and seeing them. And it's like just to take some time out of their day because they knew I was missing my mom terribly and my sister, my cousins.
Oh, thank you so much. Love you too.
It's kind of hard to be isolated, and not know what's going on. I just cherish the smiles because it's like I'm missing the smiles. I just, even something as crazy as practicing cursive.
Drive carefully. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.